Hey there! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make soft, delicious, extremely tasty butter cake at home. The best part, it is completely eggless and it is super moist and so tasty. So, without wasting any more time, let us begin. First, we are going to sieve all our dry ingredients. This process is extremely important as it ensures there are no lumps while mixing our dry ingredients with our wet ingredients. So don't be lazy to skip this step. I am also going to add some cooking soda. This will give a light texture to my cake and it will also make the cake quite fluffy. After sieving all the ingredients, keep this aside. Now take a big mixing bowl and add some soft butter to it. Along with that, add some sugar. I'm using granulated sugar, but you may use powdered sugar. All you have to do is mix these two ingredients together so that it forms a creamy textured mixture. Now, if you're using a spatula to do it, it is recommended to use powdered sugar. But if you're using an electronic beater like I have, then you may go on with the recipe by using granulated sugar. Don't forget to scrape out from the sides while you're using an electronic beater or a hand blender. My mixture of butter and sugar is ready. Now I'm going to add an ingredient that will give my cake structure. I am using Greek yogurt of vanilla flavor. If you want, you may use curd instead of yogurt. I am adding 2 tablespoons of yogurt, mixing that, and once I'm done mixing that, I'm adding another 2 tablespoons and continuing mixing. This step-by-step process ensures that there are no lumps forming. Secondly, it helps in avoiding overmixing of the batter. You may use plain yogurt and add vanilla essence later on. So if you're using plain yogurt, this is the time you should add vanilla essence. Now once you're done with that, add some milk. Make sure all your ingredients are at room temperature so that your batter doesn't split at any point of time. Now we are going to incorporate the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. So add a little amount of the dry ingredients, cut and fold the batter and continue doing this process until you have mixed all the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. Now if you see that there are a little bit of lumps of the dry ingredients, then use a whisker. In my case, I am using my electronic beater. The texture of the cake batter should be not too flowy but not too sticky. So this is the texture that you should be getting as your final cake batter. Now grease the container with oil or butter. If you have parchment paper, make sure you use that. It really helps to take out the cake without having to hustle a lot. Also, it is way easier to clean the container that I'm using. cake batter into the center of the container. Also, use your spatula to spread it out evenly and pat the container on the table so that there are no air bubbles. I'm going to put it in a preheated oven and bake this at 160 degrees Celsius for 50 to 55 minutes. My butter cake is ready. As you can see, it is so easy to take out the cake from the container using the parchment paper. Now I'm going to flip the cake to show you how it has turned out from all the sides. As you can see, it's nice golden and brown from all the sides. Also, it has got a crispy crust. As you can see how airy and fluffy the cake has turned out. So here is my butter cake recipe. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to try it out and let me know if you enjoyed this video and the recipe. So I'm going to now enjoy my butter cake. Go ahead, try it out at home. It's extremely easy. And thank you so much for watching.